Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into Phantombuster, verify your email, and pick the Facebook account you'll automate. Once done, enable two-factor authentication on that Facebook account for safety and export your session cookie from the browser. This is the credential the Phantom will use. Make sure to store the cookie securely, then return to Phantombuster and paste it into the Phantom's configuration. This links Phantombuster to your Facebook session, so actions can run without re-entering credentials. Now you configure the Phantom. Select the template that matches your goal, profile scraping, group posting, or page interactions, and input the target URLs or search queries. Then fine-tune parameters. Set realistic delays, action limits per launch, and concurrency to mimic human behavior. Run a small test launch at 1/10 volume to validate results and watch the live logs. If the test succeeds, schedule recurring runs using the cron-style scheduler. This maintains steady throughput while reducing Facebook flags. To finish, schedule your Phantom for recurring execution, and if you expect higher volume, rotate multiple Facebook sessions to distribute load. Once active, monitor logs and metrics daily. Adjust delays and action caps to stay well under Facebook's implicit rate limits. If an action fails or you receive blocks, pause runs immediately, refresh the exported cookie or re-authenticate, and reduce speed. This usually resolves temporary enforcement. Finally, document your settings and keep one troubleshooting tip ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.